Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Tricks and Trips where in this session I will be discussing with all of you few tricks on eigenvalues. So we will be given some special matrices and we need to find out their eigenvalues. So today I'll be talking about those kind of matrices. Okay, so firstly a few basic things that all of you might be knowing very well, that suppose we have a diagonal matrix. Okay, we have a diagonal matrix like this: d1 0 0 up to 0, then we have 0 d2 0, and in a similar way this is going to be a n cross n matrix with n number of diagonal entries. So all of you might be knowing about this, that all the eigenvalues of this matrix are going to be their diagonal entries only. So the eigenvalues of D are what? Their diagonal entries, that is your d1, d2 and up to dn. Okay, so these are the eigenvalues of the diagonal matrix. In a similar way, if either we have a upper triangular matrix or we have a lower triangular matrix, the eigenvalues are going to be the diagonal entries only. Suppose we have a11, a12 up to a1n, then we have 0, a22, then we got a2n, and suppose here we have 0, then this is 0, and here we have an, and this is an upper triangular matrix. So the eigenvalues of A are going to be what? a11, a22 and an. Basically these are just the diagonal entries. So, and in case we have another matrix which is a11 0 0 up to 0, then we have a21 a22, which is a lower triangular matrix. This is 0, then here we got an1, then we got an2, and here we have ann. So in this case also the eigenvalues of B going to be what? The diagonal entries itself, that is a11, a22 and 2n. So these are the facts that all of you already know. There is nothing new in this, but what I am going to explain you today is going to be a little bit surprising for all of you. And after watching this session, you just go through the questions which have been asked in the recent previous years. You will see that there are questions which you are able to solve it within seconds. Even in if you are going to search the questions related to eigenvalues in this year itself, that is 2022 question paper, you will see that you are able to apply these tricks and you will get the answer within 1 minute. So you can save those 2 minutes per question and utilize them in some other question. So let's get started about the tricks which I am talking about. Okay, as you have seen that if we have a diagonal matrix, the eigenvalues are going to be what? Diagonal entries. Okay, so we have another kind of matrix which is called as what? Which is called as backward diagonal matrix. Okay, we have backward diagonal matrix. Fine. And how this matrix looks like? This matrix actually looks like what? Here we have diagonal entries, or not in this principal diagonal, but we have the entries on anti-diagonal. So here we have 0 0 d1, then we have 0 0, here we have d2 0, then in a similar way here we have 0 dn minus 1, then we got 0 0, and then here lastly we have here dn, then we got 0, this is 0 and this is 0. So this is the matrix which we call by the name backward diagonal matrix, because in the backward diagonal we have the entries and rest other entries are 0. Such kind of matrix is called as what? Is called as your backward diagonal matrix. So today we will be studying few tricks to find out the eigenvalues of such kind of matrices. Okay, so I will write down the general thing also about it, but just go through some examples. Suppose we have a matrix which is like this: we have 0, then we have here 1 and 1 and 0. Okay, so if I ask you to find out the eigenvalues, what you will do? You will find out the characteristic equation, which is lambda square minus 1 equals to 0. Fine, then you will tell me, ma'am, plus minus 1 are going to be its eigenvalue. That's great. And if I tell you that, see, this is a backward diagonal matrix, because on the backward diagonal we have the entries. Okay, so this is one of the case for such kind of matrix. Then how would you find out the eigenvalues? I am going to tell you now. You just take this entry and this entry, take the sign plus minus, then square root 1 into 1. What you are getting is plus minus 1. These are the two eigenvalues. Okay, suppose we are dealing with another question, and here we have, suppose I am giving this name as B. Okay, I am giving this matrix as B, and here we have suppose 0 0 1, then we got 0. Suppose take one more entry, we are dealing with the even order. Okay, this was of 2 cross 2 order, and here I am giving you a matrix of order 4 cross 4. So here we have 1, then here we have this like 0 2 0 0, then we got 1 0 0. Now you see, compare it. This is a backward diagonal matrix of order 4 cross 4. You don't have to worry about such kind of question. You know, don't go for finding out the characteristic equation and then solving that equation, trying to find out the eigenvalues. Don't do such kind of things. So here the trick starts. So all of you be very attentive while watching this lecture, and make sure that whatever I am telling you, you are able to understand it in one go only. Okay, so what you have to do, take the element in the first row and then take the element in the last row. What you will do, just keep plus minus square root of multiply them. Okay, these are your two eigenvalues. Then what you will do, take the element in the second row and take the element in the last second row. What you will do, plus minus square root of 2 into 2. So here you got two eigenvalues from here, two eigenvalues from here. So eigenvalues of B are what? Are nothing but 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2. See? And I don't think so that it will take a lot of time. You can do it very, in a speedy manner. If you have such kind of tricks in your hand, trust me, in exams you will save a lot of time which you can utilize in the questions which are quite difficult or which are related to somewhere pure mathematics. Okay, just take one more example here. Suppose we have another matrix 0 0 0. Here we have 2, then we got 0 0 3 0, then here we got 0 1 0, and here we are getting suppose 5 0 0. See, this is a backward diagonal matrix. But make sure that this is a backward diagonal matrix. If this is not a backward diagonal matrix, don't apply this trick. Only this backward diagonal has entries, rest all other entries are 0. So what I told you is that take the first row's element and the last row's element, plus minus square root of multiply them. Okay, then what next you will do? Then second row and second last row. Okay, then plus minus 3 into 1. What eigenvalues you are getting? Now if I ask you what are the eigenvalues, this is going to be what? 5 into 10. Okay, so this is your root 10, and then you got minus root 10. Here you are getting root 3 and minus root 3. And to verify this, you can use your characteristic polynomial method to see whether the answer that you are getting is correct or not. Okay, so this is what we are getting. So suppose I am giving you one more matrix of order 6 cross 6, but make sure you understand one thing, that I am dealing with only what? Even order matrices. Just wait for a few minutes, I will tell you how to find out the eigenvalues for backward diagonal matrix for odd order also. Okay, so here we have 0 0 0 0 3, then we got 0 0 0 5 0, then here we have 0 0 2 0 0, then we got 0 0 5. Okay, let's keep it 2 only to make our calculation a little simpler. This is your 2 0 0 0, then we got 0 0 5 0 0, and here we got 3 0 0 0. So first you see, okay, this is what? This is your backward diagonal matrix. Okay, then what you will see, okay, this is an even order. Even if you don't see in the question that it is an even order, you will automatically understand while you will do the pairing. You will pair the element on the first row by the element on the last row. So plus minus 3 into 3. Okay, then element on the second row and the second last row. So what you will do, plus minus 5 into 5, and then finally last what? Third and third last. So this is plus minus square root. Okay, you just need to put one square root over here. So all the eigenvalues are in your hand. What are the eigenvalues? eigenvalues are nothing but, this is going to be 9, square root, it will give you 3. So 3 minus 3, then you got 5 minus 5, you got 2 minus 2. See, this is the trick to find out the eigenvalues of a backward diagonal matrix of even order. Fine, here is the general matrix and here are the few examples which I told you for the what? Even order backward diagonal. Now the question comes to your mind that ma'am, what happens if it is going to be a backward diagonal matrix of odd order? Because you will see that ma'am, now if I will start pairing the element or present on the first row and on the last row, then we got 2 eigenvalues, then there is no element left for the pairing. In every odd order backward diagonal matrix you will face the same problem. So the answer is very simple, you have to keep this element as it is. So if somebody asks you about the eigenvalues, just tell them that the eigenvalues of this matrix, suppose A, is 1, minus 1 and 2. Fine. And just take one more matrix. Suppose we have a 5 cross 5 matrix, 0, 0, 0. Then here we got 3, then 0, 0, 0, 2, 0. We got 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. We got 0, 1, 0, 0. And here we are getting 3, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So what you will do? First you will see, okay, this is a backward diagonal matrix and it is a 5 cross 5 order matrix, odd order. Start pairing. Okay, so element on the first row, then last row. So plus minus square root of 3 into 3. Then what you will do? Second row, last second row. Okay, plus minus 2 into 1. And then one of the element is left as it is. So you need not to take any tension, just keep it like this. So eigenvalues क्या हो गई इस matrix की? Eigenvalues of B are, this is 3 minus 3, then 1, then root 2 and minus 2. See how simple the trick is? Okay. So now coming to what? Coming to the general part. So if somebody asks you about what? About the eigenvalues of the backward diagonal matrix. So you have to create two cases. One if n is even and the other when n is odd. And if this is a n cross n order matrix. So if n is even, eigenvalues क्या होंगी? You know very well that this is going to be plus minus square root of d1 into dn. Then this is going to be plus minus square root of d2 into dn minus 1. And in a simple way you will get all the pairings done. Here also the same thing will happen. But the only part that is going to be left or that is going to be special in case of odd is what? You will get a single element and anyone who can guess what is going to be that element. Pause for a few seconds and think that in general if you have to write down, what you will write down. Okay, so let me tell you that. So here in case of even, the last pairing that you will get is dn by 2 with dn by 2 plus 1. Okay, you just take a matrix of order 4 cross 4, 6 cross 6, you can verify it. And here you will get element without pairing and that is going to be dn plus 1 by 2. See, if it was a 3 cross 3 matrix, you got A22. Okay, this is A22. You got itself like 2 na. So keep here what? Keep here n equal to 3. So this is 3 plus 1 by 2. That is 4 by 2 to d2. So d2 is the only element which is left without any pair. Okay. So in general you have to remember this. Even if you don't remember this, you know that this is used as an application. So you just remember this thing that you have to do the pairing. If any matrix comes in front of you, you can find it out like this. Okay. Now there is one more important thing. A few days back I have given you, I think, 3 lectures on matrix representation. Now I am telling you the application of these tricks. Okay, so the matrices which I have written over there after finding out matrix representation of the given linear transformation, you just try to look on those questions whether they are such one kind of a special matrices or not. If they are, just apply this trick to find out the eigenvalues. Even in today's class also I'll give you one question and all of you answer that in comment box. Okay, so this was one of the trick for backward diagonal matrix. Now let's come to the another part where I will be discussing few more important things in front of you. So let's discuss about what? Let's discuss about backward scalar matrix. Okay, backward scalar matrix. Now you can understand it with the help of reading its name also, that we studied diagonal matrix and scalar. So just now I have told you about what? About backward diagonal matrix, so you can understand about backward scalar matrix also. If we have a matrix A which is like this, suppose we have 0 0 0 and here we are having D, then we got 0 0 0, this is D 0, then this is 0 D 0 0 and 0, and finally here we got D 0, this is 0 and 0. See, n cross n. So this is a backward diagonal matrix, but this is a such kind of backward diagonal matrix where all the entries at, you know, this is a1n, then this is a2n minus 1, this is an minus 1 2, then this is an1. All the entries are same. Like in case of a scalar matrix, that's a diagonal matrix with same diagonal entries. So this is a backward diagonal matrix where all the backward diagonal entries are same. So in this case, even if you don't study this case, you are able to answer it. In a similar way, suppose we have this kind of matrix 0 0 0 1 0, then we got 1 0 0. See, all the entries are same. This is a backward scalar matrix. So even if you don't remember the trick that I will tell you here, you can very easily find out. Okay, ma'am told us like this, and one element which will be left, we will keep it as it is. So eigenvalues are going to be 1 1 and minus 1. Okay. Again, if I give you one more example, a equals to 0 0 0 2 0 0 2 0, then I give you 0 2 like this. You see, okay, this is a backward diagonal entries where all the entries are same. So this is a backward scalar matrix. What we will do? We will just take the entries, pair them up. This is like this, then like this, plus minus 2 into 2. But here one thing that you will observe is that if your D is 2, this was D now, see just general form, this is D. So if your D is 1, here see, if 3 cross 3 matrix, then you are getting two values, two eigenvalues at D and one eigenvalue as minus D. In this case, you have a matrix of order 4 cross 4 where D was equals to 2. So here the eigenvalues that you were getting were D, D, minus D and minus D. Okay. Let's take one more example. Here we have 0 0 0, then let's take 5, then 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 5 0 0, and then we have 5 0 0. Okay. So see, this is a 5 cross 5 matrix. Okay, and you will just pair them up, right? Their pairing. Then which pair you are going to take? Second and second last, and then this is going to be as it is. So what you will get again? 5 5 5, and you are getting minus 5 minus 5. So D is equals to 5 now. So the eigenvalues that you are getting are D, D, minus D and minus D. This is what I have to tell you. In case of the backward diagonal matrices, see, there was no relation because these elements were distinct. They can be equal also as in case of backward scalar. So we cannot predict any eigenvalue. We just have to do this calculation. But in case of a backward scalar matrix, we know that eigenvalue is going to be either D or it is going to be minus D. And where is the variation? Here see, this was of order 4 cross 4, that is even order. So two eigenvalues were D and two eigenvalues were minus D, yani half of the order. It was of order 3 cross 3, so two eigenvalues were D and one eigenvalue was minus D. Here three eigenvalues were D and two eigenvalues were minus D because order was odd. So there is a general result for it. For a backward scalar matrix, if n is even, then n plus 1 by 2 times, or we can say that n plus 1 by 2 eigenvalues, okay, just do one thing, keep it for odd. N plus 1 by 2 eigenvalues are D and n minus 1 by 2 eigenvalues are minus D. Okay, and in case of even, what is this? N by 2 eigenvalues are D and n by 2 eigenvalues are minus D. Fine. See, and you can verify it from here. Order was 4, so n by 2 is going to be 2. इवन है ऑर्डर तो 2 आइगन वैल्यूज डी होंगी, 2 माइनस 2 होंगी, इसलिए 2 आइगन वैल्यू हमारे पास 2 आ रही हैं और 2 माइनस 2 आ रही है. यहाँ पे ऑर्डर n कितना है 3, तो n प्लस 1 बाई 2 कितना होगा 2, n माइनस 1 बाई 2 कितना होगा 1. तो 2 आइगन वैल्यूज डी आएंगी, एक आइगन वैल्यू माइनस डी आएगी, वही तो आ रहा है हमारे पास. तो आप जनरल रिजल्ट भी याद रख कर सकते हो यहाँ से, और एग्जाम में हमें सिर्फ इसको अप्लाई करना है. तो अगर आपके पास ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है, अगर इवन ऑर्डर की मैट्रिक्स ऐसे बन रही है बैकवर्ड स्केलर, आप डायरेक्ट कह दो ऑर्डर अगर इसका n है तो n बाई 2 आइगन वैल्यूज जो हैं वो ये एंट्री होगी, और जो n बाई 2 आइगन वैल्यूज है वो माइनस ऑफ दैट एंट्री होगी. खत्म. ओके, सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट बैकवर्ड डायगोनल एंड बैकवर्ड स्केलर मैट्रिसेस and their eigenvalues, which is quite easy if you have tricks in your hand. Otherwise you have the basic method of finding out the characteristic equation, but it will take time in exam. So this is the best way. And एक सेशन में और लूँगी आपका, जहाँ पे मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कि एक्चुअली में ये ट्रिक्स कितनी एप्लीकेबल हैं. एग्जाम में क्वेश्चंस आए हैं और वहाँ पे हम ये यूज़ कर रहे हैं. इवन दिस ईयर ऑल्सो दे हैव आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस ऑफ आइगन वैल्यूज एंड वी कैन यूज़ दिस ट्रिक. ओके, so now let's come to another important thing, and what is that? देखते हैं. Now we are going to discuss about SBS matrix and its eigenvalue. Now most of you will ask, ma'am, what is the SBS matrix? We have never heard of that. No problem, I'll explain. Okay, a matrix is said to be a SBS matrix if it is sum of what? Sum of a scalar matrix. Okay, sum of a scalar matrix and backward scalar matrix, right? Backward scalar matrix. Now I'll explain you how. Suppose I gave you one matrix which is like this. This is your A, then A. This is your B, then here you got 0, A plus B, 0, B, 0. See, I can write this matrix as what? A 0 0 0 A 0, then we got 0 0 A. Okay, then I can write it down 0 0 B, 0 B 0 and B 0 0. Now you can very clearly see that this is a scalar matrix and this is a backward scalar matrix. So any matrix which can be expressed as the sum of scalar matrix and backward scalar matrix, that will be termed as what? That will be termed as SBS matrix. Okay, let's take one more example. Here we have A 0 0 B, then we got 0 A B 0, then 0 B A 0, and this is B 0 0 A. Okay, so I can express it like what? A 0 0 0 0 A 0 0 0 0 A 0, then 0 0 0 A. Okay, and here what we are getting is 0 0 0 B, 0 0 B 0, 0 0 B 0, sorry, this is 0 B 0 and B 0 0. See, this is a scalar matrix, this is a backward scalar matrix, and I can express this matrix as sum of a scalar and backward scalar. It means what? That this is a SBS matrix. So I am talking about such kind of matrices. I hope now you understand what is a SBS matrix. This was a SBS matrix of odd order, that is 3 cross 3, and this is a SBS matrix of even order. Okay, even order, that is 4 cross 4. So now I am going to tell you about their eigenvalues. Okay, there is a short trick. See, there is one way to find their eigenvalue, and what is that? You can find out the eigenvalue of this matrix, that is AAA, because it is a diagonal matrix. This is a backward scalar. You can just pair them, or you can use the trick which I told now, that is n plus 1 by 2 are going to be B and n minus 1 by 2 are going to be minus B. So eigenvalues are going to be B, B and minus B. So you know that if this is a A matrix, then eigenvalues of A are going to be A plus B, A plus B and A minus B, A plus B, A plus B and A minus B. Okay, that's you can do. If this is an even order, okay, so you know that all the eigenvalues of it's, because it's a diagonal matrix, it's a backward scalar, so half of the eigenvalues are going to be B, half are going to be minus B. So you just sum them up. So for this matrix, eigenvalues A plus B, A plus B, A minus B, A minus B. but I'll tell you a short way, a simpler way to do that. What you have to do here, if you have a matrix which is like this, okay, this is 0 0 b, then you got 0 a 0 0 b 0, then here you are getting 0 0 a, this is your b 0 0. If this is an odd order, okay, if this is an odd order SBS matrix, and why this is SBS, because I know that this can be very well expressed in terms of what, in terms of a sum of a scalar and a backward scalar. So if this is an odd order matrix, so obviously here we will get an element a plus b. Why? As you can see, this was an odd order, here we'll definitely get a plus b. Why? Because this is SBS, so we have to express this as scalar and backward scalar sum. So it will be expressed here, you will get a plus b somewhere, okay. So in this case, what are going to be the eigenvalues? N plus 1 by 2 eigenvalues are what? Are a plus b, and n minus 1 by 2 eigenvalues are going to be a minus b. And the logic is very clear from here only. Why? Because this backward scalar matrix is following the same process, okay. And in case this n is even, if this is even, so you know that here you won't get any element like this a plus b, okay. Here, so what you are going to see here, that all the eigenvalues, if this n is even, so you won't get here a plus b, and if here you won't get a plus b, what kind of matrix does it look like? It will simply look like a 0 0, this is suppose 0 b, then here you got 0 a 0, this is b 0. Here in this case you will find a b and then b a, okay. Here b will continue like this, and here a will continue. So in this case, because here n is even, n cross n matrix, so your half of the eigenvalues, that is n by 2 eigenvalues, क्या होगी आपकी? वो होगी a plus b, and n by 2 eigenvalues क्या होंगी आपके पास? वो होंगी आपके पास a minus b. बस गलती मत करना. गलती कहाँ करोगे आप लोग? देख के इतना एक्साइटेड हो जाओगे, ये a है, ये b है, so you have to operate a plus b and you have to operate a minus b. बच्चे कभी कभी गलती में क्या करते हैं, b माइनस ए कर देते हैं, आंसर दे देते हैं, खुश हो जाते हैं, बट ऐसा नहीं करना है. ध्यान रखना है a यहाँ पहले आ रहा है तो a प्लस बी a माइनस बी होगा और आइगन वैल्यूज आ जाएंगी. आधी आइगन वैल्यूज a प्लस बी होंगी, आधी a माइनस बी होंगी, इवन ऑर्डर है. एंड n प्लस 1 बाई 2 आइगन वैल्यूज a प्लस बी होंगी एंड n माइनस 1 बाई 2 आइगन वैल्यूज a माइनस बी होंगी, अगर आपके पास ऑर्डर जो है वो कैसा है, ऑड है. नाउ वी विल डू फ्यू एग्जाम्पल्स वेयर आई कैन गिव यू कि अच्छा ऐसे एग्जाम्पल्स होते हैं, यहाँ पे हमको ऐसे ट्रिक को अप्लाई करना है, ठीक है. So here is the example. You have been given a matrix like this. So you first observe the order. Okay, this is an even order matrix. So in this diagonal we have only 2 2 2, and here we in the backward diagonal we have 5 5. So you can express that, I can express this as a sum of scalar matrix and backward scalar matrix, where scalar matrix contain diagonal elements all 2 and backward scalar matrix contain all the backward diagonal elements as 5. So you know that what, this is your a and this is your b, and even order है तो a प्लस बी दो आइगन वैल्यू मिलेंगी यानी हाफ, एंड a माइनस बी दो आइगन वैल्यू मिलेंगी. सो a प्लस बी इज गोइंग टू बी व्हाट, 2 प्लस 5 दैट इज 7. डोंट डू मिस्टेक, a माइनस बी करना है आपको, 3 भी मिलेगी माइनस 3 भी मिलेगी, बट करेक्ट कौन सी है, माइनस 3, बिकॉज 2 माइनस 5 करना है. सो हियर इज द आइगन वैल्यू सेट. नाउ सी हाउ सिंपल इट बिकेम. अगर यहीं पे आप अपना कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन फॉर्म करते और उसके बाद आइगन वैल्यूज़ निकालते, तो आप देखो कितना टाइम आप निकालते. 4x4 का है, वैसे भी आपके पास 4 डिग्री की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन बनेगी, उसको सॉल्व करते रहना फिर आप. इट बिकेम सिंपल ना. हेयर यू सी, ओके दिस इज 7 7 एंड दिस इज 5 5. तो ये हमारे पास SBS मैट्रिक्स कब होगी, जब बीच वाला एलिमेंट इन दोनों का सम हो, क्योंकि हम इसको 7 + 5 एक्सप्रेस करेंगे तभी तो ये सम ऑफ स्केलर एंड बैकवर्ड स्केलर लिखी जाएगी. तो अच्छा ये सारी चीज़ें तो हो रही, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तो अब मैम ने हमें बताया था, क्या बताया था, अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बताया कि n+1/2 आइगन वैल्यूज़ कितनी होंगी हमारे पास, वो होंगी a+b, और n-1/2 आइगन वैल्यूज़ कितनी होंगी a-b। ठीक है, तो आप क्या करोगे, a+b यानी 7 + 5 यानी कितना आएगा 12, a-b मतलब 7 - 5 विच इज़ वॉट, विच इज़ 2। सो वॉट यू विल डू हियर इज़ दैट, अब n की वैल्यू क्या है 3 × 3, तो यहाँ पे n+1/2 कितना आ जाएगा 2 और ये 1, यानी 2 आइगन वैल्यूज़ आएंगी आपके पास कितनी 12 और एक आइगन वैल्यू कितनी आएगी 2। सो सी, by using trick we can find out the eigenvalue of the SBS matrix without finding the characteristic equation and solving it. Okay, so this was the application for the SBS matrix. And one more thing I will mention here, suppose in exam आपको याद नहीं रहता है कितनी आइगन वैल्यूज मैम ने बताई थी n+1/2 and -1/2, don't take tension. Okay, this is your 705, this is your 012, then 0, this is your 507. सो यू डोंट पैनिक एट दैट सिचुएशन। आपको मैंने बोला था ये SBS मैट्रिक्स है, तो आप इसको ऐसे एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो, आप इसे एक्सप्रेस कर दो। ओके, यानी स्केलर और बैकवर्ड स्केलर के सम में, तो दिस विल बी रिटन लाइक दिस। एंड अब आपको ये पता है कि इसकी आइगन वैल्यूज़ क्या है, क्योंकि स्केलर मैट्रिक्स है, 7 है, 7 है और 7 है। फिर आपको पता है इसकी आइगन वैल्यूज़ क्या है, क्योंकि ये बैकवर्ड स्केलर है। चलो इसकी भी ट्रिक नहीं याद है, तो ये तो याद है ना कि +- √5 × 5, इसको कोई एलिमेंट नहीं मिला, इसे एज इट इज़ छोड़ दो, तो क्या मिलेगा 5 5 -5, तो यहाँ लिख दो 5 5 -5। अब क्या करना है, क्योंकि मैट्रिक्स में सम है तो यहाँ लगा दो, इसकी आइगन वैल्यूज़ आप निकाल ले रहे हो, 7 + 5 12, 12 7 - 5 is 2। देखो आप इसकी आइगन वैल्यूज़ निकाल रहे हो। सो डोंट पैनिक, जस्ट नो द बेसिक कंसेप्ट, आप वहीं से ही सॉल्व कर लोगे क्वेश्चन को। ठीक है, सो सी, this is the question which I am giving you as a homework, and all of you try to answer this question in comment box कि which option is correct. एंड जो मैंने कॉन्सेप्ट आपको अभी बताया है और पीछे वाली क्लास में पढ़ाया है मैट्रिक्स रिप्रेजेंटेशन में, उसकी हेल्प से आप इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर लोगे। आपको क्या करना है, इस लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की आपको मैट्रिक्स रिप्रेजेंटेशन फाइंड आउट करना है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दिस ऑर्डर्ड बेसिस। और अब जो कॉन्सेप्ट मैंने आपको बताया है, कौन सा कॉन्सेप्ट बताया है, ये जो ट्रिक्स वाला, जो आपको SBS मैट्रिक्स बैकवर्ड स्केलर या बैकवर्ड आइगनल की आइगन वैल्यूज़ पता करनी है, उसकी हेल्प से आप इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करोगे। एंड आई एम वेटिंग कि एज सुन एज आई विल पब्लिश दिस वीडियो, आई वॉन्ट टू सी कि कितनी जल्दी आप लोग आंसर करते हो और करेक्टली आंसर करते हो, क्योंकि फिर मज़ा नहीं आती है आप 24 घंटे बाद आंसर कर रहे हो, आराम से आंसर कर रहे हो, आप कॉम्पिटिशन में ऑलरेडी पीछे हो चुके हो, क्योंकि आपसे ज़्यादा बच्चे हैं जो लाइन में लगे हैं और वो आपसे पहले आंसर कर रहे हैं। सो लेट्स सी आप में से सबसे पहले कौन आंसर करता है। ओके, मैं लास्ट में भी इस क्वेश्चन को एक बार दिखा दूंगी, आप पॉज करके नोट कर लेना। सो अब मैं क्लास एंड होने से पहले एक और ट्रिक आपको जाते जाते दे के जाऊँगी, ठीक है। एंड देखते हैं क्या है वो ट्रिक, और वो भी आप देखोगे, मैं एक सेशन लेकर आऊँगी जो कि शायद आज या कल में ही आपको मिल जाएगा, जहाँ पे आई प्रूव कि ये ट्रिक्स हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं, एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आया है, जहाँ पे इनकी हेल्प से 3 मिनट का क्वेश्चन हम 1 मिनट में सॉल्व कर ले रहे हैं। अगर आप एवरेज हो कैलकुलेशन में, थोड़ा अगर बहुत कैलकुलेशन आपकी अच्छी है तो विद इन 30 सेकेंड्स यू कैन आंसर द क्वेश्चन एंड मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन एंड यूटिलाइज दैट टाइम इन द क्वेश्चन विच आर इन सेक्शन बी और सेक्शन ए में थोड़े से प्योर से रिलेटेड है। ओके, सो लेट्स डिस्कस द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ कंपेनियन मैट्रिक्स। ओके, कंपेनियन मैट्रिक्स, और आप इन ट्रिक्स को तभी लगा पाओगे जब आप मैट्रिक्स को पहचानोगे। तो पहले तो ये देख लेना कि जो मैट्रिक्स आपके पास दी है वो इनमें से कोई भी एक मैट्रिक्स है या नहीं, अगर है तो जस्ट गो फॉर योर ट्रिक्स। ओके, कंपेनियन मैट्रिक्स क्या होती है, सपोज आई हैव अ मैट्रिक्स ऑफ लाइक दिस, दिस इज योर -a0। ओके, ये आपका कोई मतलब एरो वैसा कुछ नहीं है, ये आपको -a0 है, a0 के साथ वो माइनस साइन लगा है। Then here you have 1 0 0. Okay, then you got -a1 over here. This is your second row, and then we will write down the third row, which is 0. Okay, let's do one more thing to make it more clear. I'll write down few more columns so that you don't get confused. This is your 0 0 and -a0. Yeah, that would be fine. 0 0, this is your -a1, this is 0 0 -a2, fine. And in the last row what we would be having is that we got 0, then here we got 0, this is 0, this is your what, 1 0 minus an minus 2, this is your 0 0, then your 0 1, and this is your minus an minus 1. This is a n cross n matrix. Don't forget the type of the matrix. अगर आपने मैट्रिक्स का टाइप पहचानने में मिस्टेक कर दी तो आप सब कुछ गड़बड़ कर दोगे. पहले पहचानो कि गिवन मैट्रिक्स जो है वो कंपेनियन मैट्रिक्स है या नहीं. अगर वो है तो ही देखो. पहचानना कैसे? पहली रो में सारे एलिमेंट 0 एक्सेप्ट लास्ट वन विच इज़ माइनस ए नॉट. मतलब ये 0 हो सकता है बट अकॉर्डिंग टू जो जनरल फॉर्म अगर वो 0 है तो ए नॉट को हम 0 कंसीडर करें. एंड सेकेंड रो में 1 है. कहाँ पे? A21 पोजीशन पे. रेस्ट 0, लास्ट में -A1. ऐसे करते करते आप देखो डायगोनल के नीचे, जस्ट हैव अ लुक ओवर हियर, दिस वाज योर डायगोनल. ओके, डायगोनल के नीचे आपको क्या मिल रहा है? सी, यू आर गेटिंग 1 1 1 1 1 एज इट इज. ओके, बस यहाँ पे आपको -A1 एक डायगोनल एंट्री मिल रही है, तो दिस इज अ सुपर डायगोनल. वहाँ पे आपको 1 मिल रहा है. ठीक, ऐसी अगर कोई मैट्रिक्स है उसको आप कंपेनियन मैट्रिक्स कहते हो. एक और मैट्रिक्स को आप बोल सकते हो, इसका ट्रांसपोज ले लो. कुछ लोग क्या करेंगे, ये -A0 -A1 -A2 लास्ट रो में लिखेंगे तो वो भी एक कंपेनियन मैट्रिक्स होगी. बट मैं मोस्ट जनरल फॉर्म डिस्कस कर रही हूँ. और आप ऐसा कर सकते हो. क्यों? क्योंकि आपको पता है कि अगर ए मैट्रिक्स है उसकी आइगन वैल्यू लैम्डा है तो ए ट्रांसपोज की भी आइगन वैल्यू लैम्डा होगी. तो अगर आपको ऐसा फॉर्म नहीं दिख रहा है, कुछ और दिख रहा है, आप ट्रांसपोज करके देखो, ये बन जाएगा. अच्छा ठीक है, कंपेनियन है लगा लो. डायरेक्ट आप इसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन लिख सकते हो. कैसे? कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन लिखोगे x⁴n प्लस an-1 x⁴n-1 प्लस an-2 x⁴n-2 up to was this is your a2x square plus your a1x plus a0 equal to 0. आप देखो, आपको ना तो a माइनस लैम्डा आई निकालने की ज़रूरत है, उसका डिटर्मिनेंट निकालने की ज़रूरत है. 0 को कुछ नहीं करना, सिर्फ पहचान लो कि कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन वगैरह फॉर्म ही नहीं करोगे. सिर्फ पहचान लो कि क्या है, कंपेनियन है, ऐसा कुछ है. बस a0 a1 a2 an-1 an-2 कंपेयर करो और रख दो और मिल जाएगा. बस याद रखना, यहाँ a0 से शुरू हो रहा है, n क्रॉस n की मैट्रिक्स है तो an-1 तक ही जाएगा ये. और डायगोनल के नीचे आपको 1 1 1 मिलेगा. अब अगर इसका ट्रांसपोज कर दोगे तो एक दूसरी कंपेनियन मैट्रिक्स मिलेगी. आपको कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इक्वेशन मैंने दे दी है, इसको सॉल्व करो, आइगन वैल्यू निकालो. एक सेशन में मैं खुद बताऊंगी कि आपको मैट्रिक्स दिख रही है साफ साफ एग्जाम में और आप निकाल सकते हो. नहीं तो फिर डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ a माइनस लैम्डा आई लगाओ और टाइम कंज्यूमिंग प्रोसेस फॉलो करो और बस बाकियों से पीछे हो जाओ कंपटीशन में. ठीक है, आई विल गिव यू वन एग्जाम्पल कि कैसे पहचानोगे और कैसे आइगन वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करोगे. ठीक है, so this is your A matrix. Fine, A equal to 0 0 minus 8 1 0 minus 6 0 1 5. एंड अब हमें बोला गया है कि इसकी आइगन वैल्यू निकालो. एक तो तरीका जो आपको हमेशा से आता था, ये भाई ये सॉल्व करो, निकालो. दूसरा तरीका अभी मैंने आपको बताया, ये आपको दिख रहा है डायगोनल. डायगोनल के नीचे पूरा 1 आ रहा है, ये 0 है. और ये देखो, ये जो है वो आपका -A0 है, ये आपका जो है वो माइनस का a1 है और ये आपका माइनस का a2 है. और 3 क्रॉस 3 की थी तो मैंने बोला था an-1 तक जाएगा तो a2 तक गया है, मिल गया. कंपेयर करो, a0 की वैल्यू 8, -a1 -6 तो a1 की वैल्यू 6, 5 माइनस a2 है तो a2 की वैल्यू -5 आ गई. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बोला था x⁴n, ओके, प्लस an-1 x⁴n-1. ऐसे देखो सिखाया था ना, फॉर्म कर लो क्योंकि n क्या था, 3 था. अब x³ प्लस a2 क्या है आपका -5 x², a1 क्या है आपका 6, a0 क्या है 8. आपके सामने इक्वेशन आ गई, x³ -5x² प्लस 6x प्लस 8 इक्वल टू 0. अब आप इसको सॉल्व कर लो और आप इसके रूट्स निकाल लो, देयर वोंट बी एनी प्रॉब्लम टू यू. एंड आई थिंक अब आप इसको सॉल्व करके इसके रूट्स निकाल सकते हो. कहाँ a माइनस लैम्डा ही सॉल्व करते पूरा डिटर्मिनेंट निकालते, उससे बेटर है कि ये फॉलो कर लो, डायरेक्ट आंसर पता लग जाएगा. ठीक है, सो दिस वाज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर ए. अब एक मैट्रिक्स मैं आपको बी दे रही हूँ, पहचान लो, दिख रहा है 0 0 माइनस a0, 1 0 0 माइनस a1, 0 1 0 माइनस a2, 0 0 1 माइनस a3, क्योंकि ये 4 क्रॉस 4 की है. आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में इसकी आइगन वैल्यूज़ बताओगे. मैंने आपको बता दिया है कि ये आपके पास एक कंपेनियन मैट्रिक्स है और अब आपको सिर्फ क्या करना है, मुझे इसकी आइगन वैल्यूज कमेंट बॉक्स में बतानी है। लेट्स सी कौन जल्दी जल्दी आंसर करता है। एक क्वेश्चन और मैंने आपको दिया है जो कि ये है, आपको ये भी बताना है कि कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट है, प्लस ये जो आपने एम मैट्रिक्स फॉर्म करी है टी के जो मैट्रिक्स रिप्रेजेंटेशन है उसके आइगन वैल्यूज क्या है। and I'll see ki how many of you will answer and will answer it as soon as this video gets published. Okay, so that's it for today's session, and I will be back with few more videos on tricks and tips session, and I hope कि ये जो sessions मैं ला रही हूँ tricks को लेके ये आपको पसंद आ रहे हो। डू शेयर योर फीडबैक, एंड अगर आपको कुछ और टॉपिक जो कि डिफ़िकल्ट लगता है और आपको लगता है कि इस पर कुछ ट्रिक होती तो काम बन जाता, आप उसे वो भी लिखो। इफ़ आई विल हैव दैट ट्रिक आई विल शेयर इट विद ऑल ऑफ यू। एंड आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में एक टेलीग्राम ग्रुप का लिंक मिलेगा, नॉक यार एजुकेशन का, आप उसको ज्वाइन कर लो सो दैट आप अपडेटेड रहो कि कौन से सेशंस आने वाले हैं, क्लासेस की आपको अपडेट्स मिल जाएं। सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज सेशन। थैंक यू सो मच।